Who Is She? By Julie Nguyen and Bill Must Production. She was taken out of the men. Well, that's what I believed growing up. She is a life giver, a miracle worker. She is strong and resilient. She is stern and crazy, yet she is smart and soft. She's fun, yet serious. She is a miracle creator and a real woman. Her heart is strong, yet so sensitive that holds many dreams to keep her alive. Her intuition and her will guide her like a compass. Her grit and endurance help her rise from adversity. Her tears is a sign of passion and strength. Her strength is a sign that outlived her pain. Her shoulders are made to carry the world. And don't ever mistake her silence as a sign of weakness. Do you know what makes her a powerful woman? She has a sense of humor, a taste of adventure, a will to take action, a touch of beauty, a sense of worthy, a glow of health, and an attitude of allowance. She is a real woman. And remember, there is man in women, and she makes your life meaningful. She was born whole and perfect. The world is a beautiful place because she is in it. Woman, please continue to leave substance in every lives you touch. Be you. Happy International Women's Day to you, women. Thank you for listening.